Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella again. If you're new, hi, hello, welcome to the channel. So please do well to hit the subscribe button or the follow button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload. So today we are doing a simple nude cut crease look. Without further ado, let's go into this video.
A good makeup always start off with a good base. So I'm moisturizing my skin now. Let it sit in first, then go in with my primer. When the moisturizer is dry, I applied my primer now. Rub this all over my face. Then mix these two foundations, the Flawless and Zaron foundation, together. Apply it with my hands. Blend it out using my damn beauty sponge. I always like the finishing of these two foundation mixed together because it gives you that dewy finish. Even though I have oily skin, I still like that dewy finish. For my concealer, I'm going in with the Flawless concealer. Apply this on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, and my chin. Blend it out again using my damn beauty sponge. I like starting my, what am I saying? I love blending my nose contour first and concealer first before I go in with the under eyes. Then I go in with the blush. The camera is not always doing this peachy blush justice. Always looks so nice on dark skin. If you have peach lipstick, try it on and see. To set all the places I highlighted, I'm going in with that powder. I distribute it with the back of my hand before I use it and say, you see how I do it right. Distributing my beauty sponge, then blend it out. For my contour, I'm going in with that brown shade. When I know I'm not wearing my makeup for a whole day, I like going in with powdered contour. But if I know I'm going to wear that makeup for a whole day, I go in with liquid contour because liquid contour stays longer. So I use the more defined brush to contour my nose. This nose has to be snatched. So I'm using my damn beauty sponge to apply powder all over my face. There's this finishing it gives, like this smooth finishing when you use your damn beauty sponge to apply your finishing powder. So for my brows, I didn't do much. Go in with Davis number 3 eye pencil, drawing the outline, then start filling it in. Then I now highlight just my brow bone area. After contouring my nose into my hairline, into my eyebrows, I can't go in with that thing again. If you want a more detailed brow tutorial, I have it on this channel. Maybe I'll put it on the play card. So onto the eyes, what we came here for. I use that concealer as my eyeshadow base. Set it in with a powder first so that it do not break. Then go in with this City Girl eyeshadow palette. Start with that black shade. See how I tap this thing just a little bit, because black, I'm always telling you guys, very difficult to blend out black shadow. So you go in little by little and blend it up and build it up as you want. So I'm going in with that brown shade to soften the black. When you apply black, if you don't want it that harsh, you go in with a brown shade. It will soften it up. Look at what it has done here. Then I use my blending brush, go in with that orange shade as my transition color. Blend this all in. Then for the half cut crease, I really slowed this one down. You apply your this thing and look upward. You let it stain your upper eyelid. It will now show you the direction on which you have to outline your cut crease. This one, just follow the natural shade and natural shape of your eyelid. Where that when you close your eyes, your eyeball rests. Just follow that and do like you're drawing half moon. and stop where it stained. So I want to go in with that white shade. God, it didn't show up at all. Like, it showed up in the camera, but it didn't show up. So if you have that palette and you think you have white, you think again. So I go in with that black again. Wanted blending it all up, and it was wow. It was giving me something. I said, okay, let me use it and rub the rest of the cut crease area. Then it came up real good. Then I line my eyelid. If this one doesn't give you are still struggling with lining your lid, I have a detailed tutorial here too. I'll link it up. Guys, never happened to me. If you're in Nigeria, you understand. So I had to finish it up. So this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts on the comment section. To the next